Kayla here, and part 2 of painting my walls. And I actually have a tip for you. Papa Showpez is now using the paintbrush, not the paint roller. And he actually used a lid from the gallon of paint as like a painting palette so it wouldn't drip. And he didn't tell me, I just noticed, and that was a pretty cool idea. I'll definitely be using that in the future.
Make sure you let everyone know that I came up with that trick. I'm the first one in this country, let alone the earth, to ever do that, so they can pay my royalties whenever they decide to use a paint cap.
Nope. Now he's just scooping some paint.
And plumber's crack was my idea.
What?
I'm an innovator.
Okay, whatever. He's just scooping some paint on the lid now to finish painting. But we should have put paint over those outlets. Didn't? I mean, tape. It's okay. They get painted, as long as they don't go inside.
No, we'll just change the caps. That's what I plan on.
Oh, we're changing the caps? Oh, so they're the same colors?
And the light switch.
Because some is yellow and some is white.
It's just dirty and the place needs to be cleaned up, so we're going to paint. I'll change the...
It's Operation Get Things Done Day.
Operation, you're leaving the house real soon, so...
What?
You know, it's not long till you're 18 and I kick you out.
Hey.
So I'm going to get the place nice and ready.
Okay. Mean. Alright, so he's done some of the ceiling. Still got to get the ladder just for the little, ceiling for the wall. But you just have to get the ladder so it doesn't go on the ceiling. But it's okay if it's a little stray mark because we have guests over there. I can be like, oh, whoa, look at your ceiling.
Somebody's excited about ceiling.
Alright, like my backdrop, everyone. Okay.
It's your Asian roots.
He's talking about the backdrop.
That's what I said.
I didn't know that you meant that.
Oh my goodness, it's...
Oh, because it's tree from, and it's made in China?
Look at the other side. Can't you see the other side?
Yeah, okay. Ow.
You don't see that? Entire Asian backdrop?
Yeah.
Wow, it takes you long.
Ha 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 ha. Can I paint now? It's the second coat yet?
Not really. You want to?
Yes.
Find spots that look light and go over them. I don't know what else to tell you.
Jump for joy, jump for joy. I don't know those.
I gotta get up there. Why don't you do the baseboards then? With the brush. Do you want to do that? You see?
I'm using my paintbrush here to paint to paint the bottom of my wall. So I'm gonna hand this over to Papa Showpez, and he's just gonna film me. Gotta move our light around though. Oh no, good lighting. Okay. And also, tell me in the comments while I'm moving the furniture. Tell me in the comments what you would like to see from us. Like what kind of content will make you keep watching. But please nothing like too extreme, like jump off a cliff. No. Like easy things. I don't know, cooking shows. We're already going to be showing some of that content to you. So just stay tuned for that. But obviously we have to get all the supplies for that. So here we go. It's recording. It doesn't turn. It doesn't flip.
Why not? It's because you're using the wrong thing. It's supposed to turn.
Right here in the corners?
Get the baseboard.
Here, right?
Yeah. Listen, and be careful because your knee is going to touch the paint.
Okay, well these are bad clothes.
Yeah, but you need paint on that, Kaylee.
Oh, dip it?
First off, yes, give me this for a second.
Okay.
Bring the tarp and put it underneath the baseboard so that when you do it, it doesn't drip. There you go. Here.
These are bad clothes anyways. These are old.
Alright, you're going to do it, and you have to, when you do it, you got to take some off the sides and make sure it doesn't drip when you take it out.
Like this?
Yes, not too much though. Go ahead. Actually paint.
Hey, I like this. Oops. And what do you go over the little cracks with?
Yeah, don't worry too much about those right now. I don't want it to seal itself closed. I should have opened it some. Okay, get some more paint. You're being cheap. Alright, that's good. Don't rip too much off.
Because it make it easier, right? Oops. Okay. That's the struggle being a painter. Get paint on your hands. Huh?
Yeah, I guess so.
Oh, like, want to go through the cracks?
Let's try.
Try to go in like one.
Yeah, but how are you using two hands? Use the hand that you write with.
I can use both.
No, you really can't. You're not as ambidextrous as you think.
This feels weird.
Because it's in your left hand right now, and it's meant for your right somehow or another.
I need to. Alright, whatever.
You need to move your body into a more comfortable position.
I can actually.
No, because you're leaning too far, baby, and you're going to get stuff on the floor. You got to move into a more comfortable position.
Alright, this is a more comfortable position.
And I would suggest you use your right.
Oh, it's dripping.
That's all right. It's got a tart. Use your right hand, though.
Yeah.
You're not listening. Use your right hand. You're more proficient with your right. That's the one you write with.
No, I don't.
You write lefty? Yeah, you're correct. Actually, but the one you throw with. Somehow
my right hand.
Yes, I know. Somehow or another you write with your left, but you throw with your right. But the
I
right.
write with my left, and I eat with my right.